Bida, mau kemana? Mau kemana? Briga, waar ska du? Briga. Ska träffa mormor. Bibi. Hah? Ya. Hei, kita. Apa? Opa. Hai, selamat pagi. Hari ini hari Sabtu dan aku tadi pagi bangun jam 4, terus tidur sebentar sama anak-anak sampai jam 5, bangun, beres-beres, bikin kopi, terus packing. Nah, sekarang kita sudah siap untuk pulang ke Indonesia. Seks sama Vide mau ketemu nenek, ya. Jadi, kita excited. Semoga perjalanannya lancar, nggak ribet. Semoga anak-anak juga nggak rewel, ya. Syuk. Lama ya nunggu papa ya. Dah. Nenek nggak tahu nih kita mau pulang. Tadi kita telepon nenek, kita bilangnya mau ke dokter. Ya, sakit liga. Ya. Sekarang kita on the way ke airport. Papa nyetirin kita. Di belakang ada Zak. Hey Zak. Ya, di belakang ada Vide, cuma Vide madepnya terbalik. Ya. Jangan lupa kita baca apa, Saki? Baca doa dulu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya. Kita harus tiba di airport itu 4 jam. 3 jam sebelumnya sih, tapi 1 jam lebih awal. Jadi 4 jam. Ya, biar aman. Nanti kita makan siang di sana. Anak-anak belum makan siang. Terus ya nunggu lama dikit nggak apa-apa. Udah disiapin buku mewarnai, mainan, segala macam. Cemilan juga ada. Begitu ya mama ya. Ya sudah ya. Doakan semoga selamat sampai tujuan. Bye. Sampai ketemu di Jakarta. Saki mau kemana? Mau ke Eya. Nih, nenek. Mur. Ya. Nenek cucung gitu. Nenek cucung ya. Saki mau naik pesawatnya. Pusit. Udah masuk ke jalan besarnya ya. Soalnya mungkin tadi di rumah turun salju sedikit. Sekarang sini nggak salju. Pas banget pas kita pergi turun salju. Dari tempat dingin kita menuju ke tempat yang panas. Ya. Naminya. Saki mau mamam? Nih. Bilang hey dong. Hey. Sudah di Arlanda, sudah check-in barang-barang. Saki.
Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
I'm feeling like there's nothing I
Sudah
can't
ketemu Kak
try.
Ulfa.
And if you with me, put your hands high.
Adikku adik kalian.
You haven't lost a life before. And if you with me, put your hands high. Dreams of
Perjalanan
future.
panjang dari
Best.
Tokyo ke Bima.
I hear the tears of a clown.
Salah boarding
I hate that song. I always feel like they talking to me when it comes on. Another day, another
Dua
dawn.
bagasi nggak nyampe.
Another
satu
Keisha,
stop.
nice to meet you. Get the math, I'm gone. What am I supposed to do when the club lights come on? It's easy to be pumped, but it's harder to be Sean. What if my twins ask me why I ain't married their mom? Damn, how do I respond? What if my son stares with a face like my own and says he wants to be like me when he's grown? Shit, but I ain't finished grown. Another night, the inevitable prolong. Another day, another dawn. Come on, just tell Keisha and Teresa I'll be better in the morning. Another life that I carry on. I need to get back to the place I belong. Come on, I'm coming home.
I'm coming home.
Yeah.
Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday.
Ain't no
I know
pain.
my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes.
Thank you.
I'm coming home.
Coming home.
Coming home.
I'm coming
Tell
home.
the world that
Yeah.
I'm coming
Hey yo, check this out. A house is not a home. I hate this song. Is a house really a home when your loved ones is gone? And niggas got the nerve to blame you for it. And you know you would've took the bullet if you saw it. But you felt it and still feel it. And money can't make up for it or conceal it. But you deal with it and you keep balling. That's why some like the playboy and we keep balling.
Spider-Man.
Baby, we've been living in sin, cause we've been really in love, but we've been living as friends. So you've been a guest in your own home. It's time to make your house your own. Pick up the phone, pick up the phone.
coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes.
Thank you.
Coming home.
Coming home. Coming
Tell
home.
the world that
I'm almost home. Check this out.
I'm home.
Ain't no stopping us now. I love that song.